Overview of massage therapy. Massage therapy is a centuries-old practice that has evolved into a respected and widely used holistic approach to health and well-being. Its roots can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where it was considered an essential component of healthcare, not merely a luxury. Today, massage therapy is recognized for its profound physical, mental, and emotional benefits, making it a vital part of complementary and alternative medicine. For instance, ancient Egyptians used reflexology, and the Chinese developed Tuina over 4,000 years ago, demonstrating its long-standing global presence. Definition and holistic approach. Massage therapy is defined as the manipulation of soft tissues in the body to enhance health and well-being. This hands-on practice involves various techniques applied to the muscles, tendons, ligaments, and connective tissues. The primary goals include promoting relaxation, reducing pain, and improving overall physical and mental function. A key principle is its holistic nature, addressing the individual as a whole, rather than focusing solely on specific symptoms, recognizing the interconnectedness of body, mind, and spirit. Benefits of massage. Stress and pain relief. Massage therapy offers a wide range of physiological and psychological benefits. One significant advantage is stress reduction, achieved by promoting the release of endorphins and reducing cortisol levels. Studies show massage can reduce cortisol levels by up to 31% and increase serotonin and dopamine by about 28%, significantly improving mood. Additionally, massage is highly effective for pain management, alleviating chronic conditions such as back pain, headaches, and muscle soreness. Benefits: circulation, flexibility, mental well-being, and history. Massage significantly improves circulation by enhancing blood flow and lymphatic circulation, which promotes oxygen and nutrient delivery to cells while facilitating waste removal. Lymphatic circulation, crucial for immune function, can be boosted by up to 20 times with massage. It also enhances flexibility and range of motion by releasing muscle tension and improving joint mobility, with an average increase of 10 to 15% after a targeted session. Furthermore, massage positively impacts mental well-being, reducing anxiety and depression, and improving overall mood, reflecting its rich historical evolution across cultures. Anatomy and physiology introduction. Anatomy and physiology are fundamental components of massage therapy education, providing a comprehensive foundation for effective and safe practice. A solid understanding of the human body's structure and function is crucial. Anatomy is the study of the structure and organization of the body's tissues, organs, and systems, including bones, muscles, nerves, and blood vessels. Physiology, conversely, studies how these components function together to maintain homeostasis, encompassing processes like circulation, respiration, and neurological function. Importance of A&P in massage. A thorough knowledge of anatomy enables massage therapists to target specific muscles and tissues with precision. Understanding muscle attachments, joint movements, and nerve pathways. This precision informs the selection and application of techniques. Awareness of anatomy and physiology also helps therapists identify contraindications, allowing them to adapt their approach for client safety, especially with conditions like cardiovascular issues. This knowledge facilitates effective communication with clients and collaboration with other healthcare professionals, contributing to integrated patient care. Musculoskeletal system, bones and joints. The musculoskeletal system is crucial for movement and support. Skeletal structure involves the axial skeleton, which forms the central axis of the body, with 80 bones, and the appendicular skeleton, comprising 126 bones for movement. Joint types are classified as synovial, cartilaginous, and fibrous, each with distinct roles in movement. Synovial joints, like the knee, are the most common and allow for significant movement, while fibrous joints offer little to no movement. Musculoskeletal system, muscles and connective tissues. Muscles are categorized into skeletal, smooth, and cardiac types, with skeletal muscles being most relevant to massage therapy, as they account for about 40% of body weight. Understanding muscle contraction, explained by the sliding filament theory at the neuromuscular junction, is vital for therapists. Connective tissues like tendons connect muscles to bones, while ligaments connect bones to bones. Fascia, a continuous web of connective tissue, surrounds muscles and organs, providing crucial support and structure, meaning tension in one area can affect distant parts of the body. Introduction to massage techniques. Module 3 delves into the core of massage therapy, covering the various techniques and strokes employed to address client needs and promote overall well-being. This module explores a spectrum of massage styles, each with unique characteristics and applications. Massage techniques involve the skilled application of pressure, manipulation, and movement to the body's soft tissues, designed to enhance circulation, reduce muscle tension, and alleviate pain. There are over 80 recognized massage modalities worldwide, each with distinct origins and applications. Importance of massage techniques. The versatility of massage techniques allows therapists to customize sessions to meet individual client needs, whether the goal is relaxation, pain relief, or rehabilitation. This diverse set of techniques provides essential flexibility in practice. Different techniques elicit varied physiological responses, strategically contributing to therapeutic outcomes such as increased flexibility, improved circulation, and enhanced mood. A personalized approach can increase client satisfaction by up to 90%, fostering trust and enhancing the overall client experience. Swedish massage, effleurage and petrissage. Swedish massage encompasses foundational techniques widely used for relaxation and therapeutic benefits. Effleurage involves long, gliding strokes that provide a gentle and relaxing introduction to the massage session, maintaining consistent contact with the client's skin to promote connection and warmth. Petrissage consists of kneading, squeezing, and rolling movements that target deeper layers of muscle tissue. This technique is crucial for muscle mobilization, enhancing circulation, and effectively alleviating muscle tension, with studies showing it can increase local blood flow by up to 50% in treated areas. Swedish massage, tappement and friction. Tappement, another Swedish massage technique, includes rhythmic tapping, hacking, and cupping movements designed to invigorate the body. This technique stimulates the nervous system, promoting alertness and increased circulation, often used in sports massage to prepare muscles for activity. Friction involves deep circular movements applied with focused pressure, effective for addressing muscle knots and areas of tension. This technique generates heat, promoting increased blood flow to the targeted area and helping to break down adhesions and scar tissue, improving tissue elasticity. Contraindications and precautions. Introduction Module 4 focuses on the critical aspects of contraindications and precautions in massage therapy, emphasizing client safety and well-being. It is crucial for therapists to recognize situations where caution or avoidance is necessary. Contraindications are conditions or factors that make a particular treatment inadvisable due to potential harm, such as specific health issues or injuries. Precautions involve modifying or adapting techniques to accommodate specific conditions without completely avoiding treatment, with an estimated 10 to 15% of clients presenting with at least one contraindication. Significance and medical contraindications. Understanding contraindications and taking precautions are paramount to ensuring client safety and mitigating risks during massage sessions. Identifying potential risks associated with certain health conditions allows therapists to make informed treatment decisions. Medical conditions like uncontrolled hypertension, recent heart attack, or severe atherosclerosis pose risks due to potential strain on the cardiovascular system. Infectious diseases, such as skin infections or systemic infections, may contraindicate massage to prevent the spread of illness, requiring strict hygiene and avoidance of affected areas. Musculoskeletal and neurological contraindications. Musculoskeletal conditions require careful consideration. Acute injuries like recent fractures or sprains need time to heal before massage can be safely administered. Chronic conditions such as osteoporosis or severe osteoarthritis may necessitate modifications to massage techniques to avoid exacerbating symptoms or causing harm. Neurological conditions also present contraindications. Massage may be contraindicated immediately after certain surgeries, like spine or joint replacement. Furthermore, neurological disorders such as epilepsy or Parkinson's disease require special considerations to ensure client safety during a massage session, as strong stimulation could potentially trigger a seizure. Skin conditions and pregnancy precautions. Skin conditions like inflammatory issues, eczema, psoriasis, severe sunburn may contraindicate massage due to potential irritation, while infectious skin conditions, ringworm, scabies, require avoidance of affected areas to prevent spread. Eczema affects about 10 to 20% of children and 3% of adults, making it a common consideration. During pregnancy, precautions are essential, especially in the first trimester due to a higher risk of miscarriage. Modifications in positioning and the use of support pillows are crucial to ensure the comfort and safety of pregnant clients, as the hormone relaxin softens ligaments, requiring gentler joint mobilization techniques. Chronic pain and injury rehabilitation. Advanced techniques are crucial for specific conditions, particularly chronic pain management. This involves nuanced approaches like myofascial release, trigger point therapy, and neuromuscular techniques to address underlying causes and provide sustained relief. For injury rehabilitation, a deeper understanding of the healing process is essential, with massage playing a vital role in supporting recovery and addressing soft tissue injuries. Early gentle massage in rehabilitation can reduce recovery time by up to 20%, highlighting its efficacy. Postural dysfunction and Eastern modalities. Postural dysfunction can significantly contribute to chronic pain and discomfort, requiring advanced massage techniques for correction. These include targeted stretches, myofascial release, and joint mobilization, alongside assessing imbalances to develop effective treatment plans. The integration of Eastern modalities offers diverse therapeutic approaches. Shiatsu, a traditional Japanese massage therapy, involves applying pressure to specific points on the body to promote energy flow and balance, based on meridian theory, which is also used in acupuncture. Thai and Ayurvedic massage. Thai massage, rooted in traditional Thai medicine and yoga, offers a unique blend of acupressure, stretching, and energy work. Participants explore principles like body weight use, rhythmic movements, and assisted stretches, often referred to as lazy yoga due to its passive stretching components. Ayurvedic massage, from India's traditional medicine system, emphasizes balance and harmony. Techniques include Abhyanga, an oil massage, and Mala point therapy. Abhyanga traditionally uses warm herbal oils tailored to an individual's dosha, promoting detoxification and skin health, enhancing holistic treatments. Energy work and hot stone massage, enhancing therapeutic impact, involves modalities like energy work and Reiki, a Japanese technique for stress reduction and relaxation. Participants explore the concept of energy flow in the body, learning hand positions for channeling energy and integrating Reiki into massage sessions. Hot stone massage utilizes heated stones to enhance relaxation and alleviate tension. Principles include proper stone selection, heating techniques, and safe application on the body. Basalt stones, known for their heat retention, are commonly used and can stay warm for up to 45 minutes, providing a deeply soothing experience when integrated into traditional massage.